Today we have a 2005 Honda Civic. We're replacing the power steering pump as well as this hose here, so I already took it off from the reservoir there. Now before I start removing this high pressure line here, I'm going to take off the belt so I don't get any fluid on it. So first thing we do, number 12, we're going to loosen this nut as well as the bolt directly down there under there, see? And then we'll twist this to relieve tension and take the belt off. Alright, now with the belt removed, number 10, remove these two here, as well as this one. Alright, now with number 12, I'm going to fully remove that nut, as well as that bolt down there, and just take the power steering pump off. Alright guys, power steering pump removed. And now I kept calling this a bolt, but it was actually a nut down there, but either or, two nuts removed. So now I'm going to transfer over the pulley, as well as this portion here, number 10. Also replace the O-ring that is in here when we take this out, and this is number 19. So we're going to transfer these, the pulley and the bolt over, as well as the outlet here, or the inlet. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all off and put them on the middle. Alright, our new pump here, so I'm going to go ahead and put our pulley on. There we are, as well as the inlet with the new O-ring. Go ahead and install that. And we're going to just go ahead and put all this together and reinstall it into the vehicle. Alright, so I have the power steering pump just set in place. No need to tighten those yet since we got to put the belt on and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and install a high pressure line, replacing the O-ring. It's very important to do so. These Hondas tend to leak the O-ring portion. And you know, some people think it's the power steering pump, but in reality it's just the O-ring. But so I got to put the O-ring on, put that back in place, two number 10s, and then I'm going to throw the belt back on. Okay guys, power steering pump now installed. Got new hose there. Everything back on, but belt is back on too. Tighten those two bolts after the belt is adjusted correctly, and we are done. Just fill it up. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. More videos to come, y'all.